This fine weekend morning, I woke up at 3:30 a.m. and together with my friends, drove over an hour and a half away from Dubai. Why? Just to take in this view. We're here at Wadi Abadilah. Sama kayo! That's right, for the most part of my weekend mornings, this is what I do. I check out a nice place to visit, and while most people remain asleep like what non-crazy people do on a weekend, I wake up early and drive. Sometimes the trip takes 30 minutes, sometimes it takes more than an hour and a half. Sometimes I'm alone, sometimes I'm with friends,
Sama kayo!
and sometimes I'm with family.
Sama kayo!
And then using this, I try to take the best photos and videos that I can, like these. My companions, they do that too, only they use this,
And this.
Right now we are here at Wadi Abadilah, a valley somewhere in the beautiful Emirate of Fujairah. Now, I find this place to be quite unique because most, if not all, wadis we've been through are dry during the summer. But Wadi Abadilah, well, check this out. It's green, it's wet, and well, it's just amazing. Check this out. The water is coming straight out of the rocks. Mountains there. Greenery down here. It's a great place to hike, although probably not as smart to do so in the summer season. Believe me, you wouldn't want to be outdoors when the temperature is high. It's a great weekend activity, one that allows us to explore the geography and history of this country bit by bit. The only drawback? During the summer, you have to do it early, before the sun is at its might. It's not a pleasant experience. Make sure you bring tons of water, kids. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Ciao!